Guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing unethical ways to get money. So, in today's video, all you need to do is whenever you get home, all you have to do is hop on the VR, go into some code with anything. Make sure you spend $10 on the game so you get this much company coins. Then you come over here, click this button right here.
He just left. So basically, let me stand up. Move this skateboard. Oopsies. And then, so basically what I'm gonna do is he's gonna tell kids who wants infinite company coins. There's a glitch to get infinite company coins. They have to be the little Timmies so they understand it. And then he's like, oh, the glitch is over here. And then I camp up there with a rocket launcher. And whenever they walk out, I shoot them. But he tells them that they have to have something OG.
Yo, y'all ready?
Wow.
What do we need?
Basically, what are you doing? You want that free grappler?
Yes.
So basically, the only items y'all are going to be needing isn't, because it doesn't work with monitored items, but it works with, like, OG items. The OG bag.
Yeah, we're chilling. I have no grappler, so it's gonna be hard. So basically, let me turn my mic off.
Come here!
They're walking out now. Well, they should be soon.
Oh, you don't have the plunger.
No fighting. Shakira. Oh, I forgot I only have one shot. It might be cooked. We didn't even check if this was a PvP.
Oh, I got fourth.
In his bag? Where are they? Color. There's a pink guy behind me down there.
Come here!
You little scammers. I already know what's gonna happen. You can shoot him right now. Just shoot him, get his items.
Let's go get his items, man. How? Color. They're not on you. I can do this.
No! No, don't get that, don't get the big one. Don't get the big one.
Oh, is this yours?
Run.
Wait, I need to get my...
Run.
Someone told it. Took my Hey, did someone have my
You still alive?
Yes. So don't you know I'm still standing? This is my favorite glitch spot. We're about to get another kill.
Do whatever you
And
want.
this guy has a suitcase, I think.
It doesn't have anything
Let me mute my mic.
I just got a rocket because I don't even know why, but you know, my hit is very low. Alright, so baseline. The items you're gonna be needing, bud, is a plunger
I haven't...
and a glow stick. Alright, take that. You just need a plunger, I mean, and one glow stick. Alright, you have a glow stick? Alright, so come over here. So basically what we do is we come out here, and then we pump it in the ground 10 times, okay?
In the ground 10 times.
Yeah,
Wait.
Run, run.
What the?
I have more than that, right? I have more. I have more, right? Yeah. So why do you